welcome to True Learning Lessons. I welcome you to part 2 of NCERT Geography Lesson 3 Our Changing Earth. So, in this video, we are going to learn about earthquake. The crust of the earth is made up of many parts called plates. An earthquake is the result of a sudden release of energy by the movement of tectonic plates. Earthquakes are very destructive. The Bhuj earthquake of 2011 killed thousands of people. So, over here, in the first point, we have seen about what is an earthquake. So here, now there are different plates like this. These are different plates which form a earth crust. So there are different plates which form a common earth crust, and when there is a sudden energy released by the movement of tectonic plates, it results into a earthquake. So in the second point, we have learned about information that the earthquake which has taken place in Bhuj in 2011 killed thousands of people at a time. So let's move ahead with our explanation. So now, as you can see, this diagram of earthquake. When the lithosphere plates move, the surface of the earth vibrates. This vibration are called earthquake. When the lithospheric plates move, they create some vibrations, and these vibrations lead into earthquake. Means the vibrations are called as earthquake. The place in the crust where the movement starts is called as the focus. Now, as you can see over here below, that we can see a focus over here in the crust. Means not on the surface, below the surface in the crust, from where the movement starts. It's known as the focus point, and the epicenter is exactly above the focus where it affects. So now what is epicenter? The place on the surface above the focus is called the epicenter. So let's move ahead with our explanation. Now, do you know what is a seismograph and a Richter scale? The earthquake is measured with a machine called seismograph. The magnitude of the earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. So now here the 2.0 or less can be a little one which can't harm so many things, but above 5 or below it 5.0 it can cause a damage, and 6.0 can be a higher amount. Then even we have seen about 7.0 which can classify a major earthquake. So now we will learn about landslide. A landslide is a movement of a lot of earth and rock down the slope. So over here, as you can see, this is a cliff over here. This is a road and it has a cliff. From the cliff, so many rocks and different particles fall down. The trees slide down, the rocks fall down. So this is mainly known as a landslide, which happens mainly due to endogenic and exogenic forces. Diastrophic forces are these forces are behind slow process that create a major feature of Earth's crust, including continents, mountains, ocean beds, floods, and faults. Thank you. And for learning ahead, stay tuned to our channel.